So we saw the implementation of these sanctions having effect on the interests of also St. Maarten, Aruba, and Curacao. It stipulates in Article 3 of the Sanction Acts that we are involved in determining of the Dutch position in preparation of these decisions. We are in constant and close contact with the Foreign Affairs Ministry in the Netherlands of the Kingdom, and therefore locally are able to implement said sanctions. During our presentation in Parliament, which the article refers to, the sanctions regulation, so these sanctions have been added to the current sanction regulations with a ministerial regulation. The new sanction regulations was published in the Afkondigingsblad of St. Maarten under the AB 2022 number 15. They refer to the ministerial regulation, which include the sanctions on financial, energy, and transport sectors. It is therefore necessary for all persons, entities, and organizations to act in accordance with the newly adopted and amended sanctions. I believe what was explained was that no actual, like say, sanctions were done on any persons, but the sanctions are applicable to St. Maarten as well. Given the dynamic nature of the situation, persons requiring more information should contact the Department of Foreign Relations in St. Maarten. There is a link also of the sanctioned persons and entities that is published on government information page. So the Department of Foreign Relations of St. Maarten remains in close and regular contact with the Kingdom Ministry for such, and government will continue to publicly address in the press any statements needed to clarify where St. Maarten stands on this. But being that we are a part of the Kingdom, we are in line with the Kingdom's position where the sanctions are concerned.